Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart.
With Bubbles.
Can't forget Bubbles.
Because I won't let you.
No doubt.
Thanks, Tinker Girl.
It's Stinky Tinky.
It is.
Alright, Bubbleina.
Welcome back to another Student versus Teacher.
Yeah, with the evil usses.
That's it. Alrighty, so we're going to do some comb overs.
Comb overs, you say?
So, I'm putting it out there. You can do pretty
Reminds
much...
my old science teacher at school. He had a comb over.
I think most of them did. The wacky science
Yes.
dudes, they always did.
Yeah.
Alright.
So we're doing comb overs.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, you can do...
Anything you like, but you got to use a comb.
Yep.
Righto.
It must be incorporated.
Right.
Or I win.
Hurry up. Really?
Yep.
Okay. Fair enough.
That's the rules.
I am picking up what you're putting down.
So that's the rules.
You can do whatever you want as long as you use a comb.
Yep. And if you don't, I win.
Okay.
I quite like that option.
Yeah, because you know I can't struggle and can't stick to the rules.
Yes, I know you struggle with the rules.
I struggle with the rules. I do struggle with the rules.
Alright.
That's pretty blue.
Yeah, that's my Southern Ocean blue you make me with the interference violet.
It's gorgeous.
It's really yummy.
I can see it blinging in the light and I'm just going, ho,
Yeah.
purplicious.
And it's super cool with other colours.
I do like it.
Does some tricky stuff.
Very purdy.
Oh, it is. Yeah. I don't want a lot of this.
With really deep dioxazine purple.
Oh, it's magical colour.
I love it.
But it can go not in your favour on black if you're not careful.
Gets very dark, doesn't it?
Yes. So now this is another version. Oh, no, this is my new favourite. Look at it. Isn't that beautiful?
It's pretty blue.
Oh, it's beautiful. I love it.
Another custom.
Yep. I've already gone through 2 tubs of this.
I've noticed.
It's just great. And there's another one too. It's a bit lighter. But I think we need this colour down here. Have to be on the bottom of the pile, right?
Always the way. Have you noticed that?
Yes. Especially when you're in a hurry trying to get your colours.
Well, that's pretty.
Isn't it gorgeous?
It is.
I love this colour. It's another one though, you got to be careful because she can really take over. She's a bit of a show off.
The bling in that's nuts.
Yeah. But yeah, so you got to sort of sparingly.
I see.
Because she loves to be looked at. Alright. Fights with all the colours. She's a bit of a bitch.
Rightio.
Alright, here we go. I love this.
Fair enough.
That's a really special colour. It's my new, really... It's like a powdery baby blue. It's that light.
It is. It's a super, super light one. What colour does that one shift to?
I think it's like a blue.
It is blue, yes.
It's, yeah.
It's got that interference blue flick through it.
Alright, I'm going with that. Now. Let me get my CA out. Pop some of these pesky bubbles. Okay. I'm going to use a big swipe tool. Or medium one.
Are you just?
Yeah.
You know what's strange?
Mm.
You were about to do a radial.
Yeah.
And I'd actually planned out to do a radial with my comb over.
Because I figured, and you're probably on the same wave path here,
Yeah.
that you're going to get crazy cells.
Uh-huh.
Okie dokie.
Pretty. The colours are really starting to pop right through. They're crazy.
See the trails?
Love it.
Cheating. Cheating's good. Look at that.
I'd seen your sneaky little snail trails.
Yeah. Really? Oh, them colours are beautiful together.
Are they what?
Oh, yep. Alright.
That selled up lovely.
Shame.
And what are you going to do? Ruin it with a comb. Otherwise I win.
I am. So...
Oh no. Bye-bye perfectness. You even got your centre spot on too. Doesn't that hurt? Oof.
Oh, look at that.
That's trippy as.
That's pretty cool, right?
Yep.
Okay. I'm actually digging that. I think that's quite cool.
That's nuts.
Love those cells, isn't that? Extreme close up. Aren't they cool?
Whoa.
Alright. Let's see if they all go bye-bye. Okie dokie. I'm getting better at finding that unicorn centre.
I've noticed that.
Go this way a bit.
It's actually really, really close.
Oh, that's cool. That's actually really cool.
That's nuts.
I really like that.
I think that looks absolutely wunderbar.
Those new colours of yours are weapons. They're sick.
They're great, aren't they?
I've been having a ball with them. Problem is I had a floater. Oh no, that's awesome. Oh, I love that.
Mate, that is just the duck's nuts. Look at it.
Duck's nuts. She's a loose goose.
She's a loose goose. Duck's nuts.
Alright.
It's an Aussie thing.
And we wonder
Wow.
why the rest of the world think we're strange.
Well,
You know what I mean?
yeah. Pretty
There's
much.
that bloody dry corner again. How many times have I
You do that every time. One dry corner.
Well, there you go. This time we're being different. I got two.
You're the dry corner kid.
Oh, hang on. Like that. Let me just scoop some pretties up here. There we go. We'll just fill those corners in.
That's gorgeous. Look at the colour in that.
Yeah.
That is a stunning palette.
You just keep putting everyone's attention on themselves and away from my stuffed up sides.
Right.
That a boy.
But while we're waiting, what we'll do is do a flyover.
Can't believe I missed him.
I can.
Oh, I know that. But, you know, I really thought I went right round the edges.
Bum, bum.
Yeah, thanks for playing, Bubbles. Oh, that's cool.
That's a stunner.
I'm so digging that.
I love that.
Mad palette. Now, what did I use?
Something.
Alright, Wombat, well that should be the flyover done, and I think we'll pause there and come back and do your comb over.
Sounds like a plan.
Thanks, Tinker Girl. Alrighty, we're back.
That we are.
Alright, Mr. Wombat, get your comb over going.
Oh, shall. So, where you went on a black pillow, I'm going on a white one.
Nice. See, I like it when we do different. Gives a bit of variety.
It does.
But you can get to see the same technique.
Yeah,
Just how different they can look.
exactly. Same horse, different jockey.
What we should do one week is same colours.
Oh, we could do that.
Mm. But that's a cool thing to see.
It is. Sounds like a plan.
Especially neons.
I like neons.
I know you like neons.
Can you
I think the world knows you like neons.
You sure?
Yeah, yeah. It's pretty obvious.
I reckon we should tell them again.
Really?
Yep. Yeah. I love neons.
Yeah, no, I don't think you'd go there. But anyway, you love neons.
I do.
Good for you. Oh, someone's upset the neighbour's dogs again.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Wasn't me.
They get really pissy.
Don't they? What?
Yeah. It's alright, I'm walking around.
I've noticed that.
Pigments are away.
That's why you can't hear you on the camera.
Oh, bet you can. Bet you can.
Whatever.
Everyone's laughing at you now.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
They're just going, oh, I feel so sorry for Wombat having to put up with her all the time.
I feel not. I feel it deeply in my soul.
Is that so?
Yep.
Fair enough.
That colour slaps. I love it.
It slaps, does it?
It
Where
does.
are you getting this new terminology from?
I think it's actually from Amy Motter. She's in our paint pouring group on Facebook.
Right.
Yeah, bad influence.
It just slaps, does it?
Well, it does, because you think about it. Like, especially that colour with black, it just slaps you in the face.
Right. Fair enough.
Very cool. Thanks, Amy.
Now, do I go little dude? I might go little dude.
So you see something or another, just it pops into your head every now and then.
Right.
Yep, comes out my mouth. This was a fun idea.
Yeah. Alright, so.
Oh, you know what I'm going to do again soon? Ring pull radials. They were beautiful. Remember them on the little stars?
I did.
Actually, if you've missed it, I'm going to get Wombat to put the link up for that student versus teacher, because that was a fun one. I love when you do that. Get them lips of colour. Like fingerlings of colour, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's
Yes.
cool.
It's fun. It's fun, you know.
Oh, it's such a shame.
I know.
Look at the rainbow cells.
It's always the way.
Oh my god.
It's like, what do you do?
Sucks to be you.
Alright, comb, you reckon?
Yeah. That's cool. Are you going to leave the colour on? Yeah, I like that. It's giving it like a tribal effect on the edges, isn't it? Listen to it.
You can hear it scraping along the bottom of the board.
Like a squeaky door.
So if anyone's wondering, yes, it's actually scraping along the bottom of that board.
Because it really doesn't affect nothing, because you're going to spin it.
No, it doesn't. Doesn't hurt it at all.
Alright.
You've got enough paint. Here's the thing, right? If you do that with
Yep.
not very much paint on, you're going to leave trenches all the way through it.
That's right.
And when you spin it out, depending on where the trenches are, the trenches will actually get wider and wider.
Absolutely.
Whereas if you've got a whole heap of paint on like this has,
Yeah.
it's not going to do any trenches. They'll all fill in. It's all...
You got enough colour sitting there as a puddle.
Exactly, it's going to flood it. So, no big deal.
But spun out pillow, don't do it.
So, don't stress about that.
No. Alright.
The worst you can do is actually drag pillow paint up into it, which can give you crazy patterns anyway, so who cares? That's the way I'm looking at it.
Alright. The spin. What will it show us?
Who knows? It's luck of the draw. I call this the lucky dip.
I reckon that's going to open right up. You'll lose your wispy bits, but I think it's going to look better. Yeah, it is. It's doing it. You know, you can just see how something's going to go. Them first few spins.
Yeah.
I love seeing it change. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's super cool.
Crazy, isn't it?
I love that. Definitely love that.
Torch some bubbles.
And you kept them cool rainbow cells in that section. That's awesome. You just got a yellow bubble.
Yeah, I seen that just pop up. It's like, what?
Give it a spin, it'll get bigger.
Actually, what I'll do is...
Go that way a bit.
I'll just move it off centre a tad.
Just a little bit. And that should pull that bubble open.
Now I've got...
Yeah, see? It's got bigger.
A 3-coloured bubble.
Yeah.
There.
Red, yellow, blue.
So that's got to be a win just for the sake I've got a...
No, that doesn't just give you the win.
Well, I think it does.
Get over yourself.
It's a 3-coloured bubble.
No. Just, no.
Fair enough.
But thanks for playing. Ding, ding.
There you go.
I love that.
How cool is that? Look at the 3-colour bubble. That's got to be a win.
You're going to have to zoom in on that because you're super proud by the sounds of that.
Come on, guys.
I love this section, the way it went. It sort of looks like an acorn.
Tell Bubbles, Wombat wins because he's got a 3-coloured bubble.
You know, Bubbles' disease been playing up. Selective hearing's just, that switch has gone on.
Right, so we'll do the fly over.
Hey?
Let everyone see my 3... Huh? Yeah, right.
Yeah, it took
Fair
you a while
enough.
there to catch up, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That was fast.
It's been a long week. Tell ya.
Oh, that's cool.
3-colour bubble.
Love it.
That's so cool. Loads of fun for everyone.
Yeah, I love that one. That's a beauty.
Give it a go at home, everyone. You'll love it.
The comb overs
It gives
with
you
the radial.
crazy little patterns. So
It's my favourite to do comb overs with.
me too. I love doing them with that.
It's the way it traps the cells when you play.
Yeah.
It's very cool.
And on bigger pieces, you can do all sorts of crazy things with it. So
We should do that soon.
I was going to, but you know,
No, I limited you to stars.
you limited me to these povy little stars.
There's always next time.
What are they?
princess.
8-inch?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd
They're
rather
fun though. Yeah, I know, but...
this big.
Alright, so next week, guys, we'll let Wombat get out the big one.
Whoop, whoop.
Alright.
Okay. That's it from us today. So if you've liked that, hit like, share, and subscribe. Ring that notification bell.
Ooh, thanks, Tinker.
That way you get to see all our crazy stuff as we release it.
Come and have some fun with us.
For sure. Okie dokie. Have fun. Take care. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a fantastic day. Go get messy.